Ready to see the ultimate speed showdown? Buckle up, meet the Cheetah, nature's ultimate speedster. This sleek predator goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster acceleration than most sports cars. Imagine a cheetah launching into a sprint, dust flying as it leaves everything else in the dust. In a head-to-head race, this big cat's acceleration is unbeatable. With its lean body and powerful muscles, it's built for speed. While sports cars need fancy engines, the Cheetah relies on pure, natural power. But it's not just about speed. The Cheetah's grace and agility make it a true marvel of nature. So next time you see a sports car revving up, remember there's a 4-legged speedster out there that could leave it behind in a heartbeat. Nature's ultimate speed machine. Follow for more wild animal facts.